Hi there. Hope you have a fantastic day today. This lesson, I will teach you how to divide it by 100. Of course, there is a PDF file versions on the description below for you to download so you can work with me. Otherwise, let's go straight into it. Example 1. We have 800 divided by 100. So we can simply cancel the 0, this 0 with this 0. And then we have this 0 here, we cancel with this 0. So it becomes 8 divided by 1. So the answer is 8. So there you go. Part B, 60 divided by 100. So if you think about it, 60 means that no decimal point. It means right at the back here. So we can just simply move the decimal point to the left, because when we divide by 100, the answer should be smaller than 60, correct? So we just move this decimal point 1 to the left, we cancel this out, and we move 1 to the left, we cancel that. So that becomes 0.60. So in another word, we can just put a 0 in front here. So that becomes 0.60 or 0.6. Okay, that's what we do. So there you go. So 850 divided by 100. Again, no decimal point. It means right at the back here. So when we divide by 100, the answer should be smaller than 850. So which means we move the decimal point to the left 1 unit. So it becomes 85.0. So that is 85. And we cancel another 0 by moving this decimal point to the left 1 more unit. So the answer is 8.50. So 8.50. So there you go. Part D, 12 divided by 100. Again, no decimal point. It means right at the back here. So we divide by 100. The answer should be smaller than 12. So in another word, this decimal point here, move 1 unit to the left. We cancel this. And then we need to move 1 more time to the left. We cancel this 0. So it becomes 0.12 divided by 1. So of course, we put a 0 in front. So it becomes 0.12. There you go. Part E, 890, we divide by 100. Of course, we can also do this way. We cancel this 0 with this 0 first. And then we know that 89 divided by 10. And no decimal point for 89. That means the decimal point right at the end of 9. So therefore, we just move 1 decimal point to the left. We cancel this 0. So 8.9 divided by 1. The answer is 8.9. There you go. 5,200. We divide by 100. Of course, we can just simply cancel this 0 with this 0. This 0 with this 0. So 52 divided by 1. So the answer is 52. So there you go. Part T, 7 divided by 100. So no decimal point on 7. So that means the decimal point at the back here. And we divide by 100. Of course, the answer should be less than 7. Okay. So we move 1 unit to the left. We cancel that. Of course, we put a 0 in front here. So that becomes 0.7 divided by 10. And we need to move 1 more time. We cancel this 0. Of course, we put a 0 in front here. So that becomes 0.07 divided by 1. So the answer is 0.07. There you go. Part H. So 857 divided by 100. So we know that the decimal point is right at the back here. So we divide by 100. So this 0 cancel. You move 1 to the left. You cancel this 0. You move 1 more to the left. So the answer is 8.57. So 8.57. So there you go. Part I. 7,467 divided by 100. So again, the decimal point is right at the back here. We cancel this 0. We move 1 to the left because the number should be less than, okay? So we move 1 to the left and then we cancel this 0. So this move 1 here. So the answer is 74.6 74.67. 74.67. There you go. Please pause the video and try this one yourself. Hi there, I'm back. How did you go? So let me just go through them with you. Before I do that, please do not forget to give me a thumb up and subscribe if you haven't done so you can help me to grow my channel. So let's get into it. So we have 600 divided by 100. So we can just cancel this 0 with this 0 and this 0 with this 0. So this becomes 6 divided by 1. So the answer is 6. And we have 9,800 divided by 100. Again, this 0 we cancel with this 0. And this 0 we cancel with this 0. Becomes 98. So there you go. So we have 47,500 divided by 100. So this 0 here, we cancel with this 0. This 0, we cancel this 0. So that becomes 475. 475. Part D, 5,000 divided by 100. Again, we just simply cancel the 0 with this and this cancel with this. So answer becomes 50. 50. Part E, 7,860 divided by 100. So this 0, we cancel with this 0. So then 786 divided by 10, that means the decimal point right at the back of 6. So that becomes, cancel this 0, we move 1 unit to the left. So 78.6. 78.6. Now, 3,470 divided by 100. So instead of I cancel 0 first, and I just note that the decimal point is right at the back here. So I can just do this way. I cancel this 0. I move 1 to the left. I cancel this 0. I move 1 to the left further. So that becomes 34.70. Or you can just write 34.7. It's the same. So there you go. Part G. So 783 divided by 100. No decimal point. It means it's right at the back of this number. So we cancel this 0. We move 1. We cancel this 0. We move 1. So it becomes 7.83. 7.83. There you go. H. So we divide by 100. We can just cancel this with this. This with this. So there you go. So that becomes 75,600. So 75,600. So there you go. Part I. Again, no decimal point of 930. So this means the decimal point right at the back. And then we just cancel this 0, move 1 unit. Cancel this 0, move 1 unit. So 9.30, or I can just write 9.3. And I hope you got all of them correct. Please pause the video and try this one yourself. Hi, I'm back. So let me just go through it with you. So we know that 100 pence is cost $19. So Ryan wants to sell individually. So we need to work out how much each pen cost, or the price of each pen. So we just go 19, which is divided by 100. So now we know that there's no decimal point for 19. So that means the decimal point right at the back here. So we divide by 100, which is move 1. We cancel this 0. We move 1. We cancel this 0. So that becomes 0.19. So that means you can just write 0.19, or you can just simply write 19 cents each. Okay, so keep that in mind. So let me just write each here. So there you go. Now let me just go through example number 2. So we have 893.5 divided by 100. So the decimal point moving to the left. Okay, keep that in mind, because when we divide by 100, the answer should be smaller. Okay, so we just move 1 unit. We cancel this. We move 1 unit. we cancel this. So the answer is 8.935. So there you go. And part B, again, no decimal point. It means right at the back here. So we cancel this 0, we move 1. We cancel this 0, we move 1 more time. So 8.06. So 8.06. Part C. So we divide by 100. This decimal point here moving to the left. And remember, when we divide by 100, the answer should be smaller than 74.6. So we move 1 unit, we cancel that. We move 1 unit, we cancel that. So the answer is 0.746. So there you go. 87.30 divided by 100. So the decimal point here, we move 1 unit, we cancel. And we move 1 more unit to the left, we cancel this. So 0.8730 is the same as 0.873. And that will do. So if you write 0.8730, still correct. Okay, keep that in mind. So 5.28 divided by 100. Of course, we move 1 to the left, we cancel. And then we can, of course, write 0 in front here. And then we divide by 10. We move 1 more time to the left, we cancel and put a 0 here. So that becomes 0.0528. So there you go. Part F. So we divide by 100. So we move this to the left, we cancel, put a 0. We move 1 more time, we cancel. So 0 here. So that is 0.0079. So there you go. Please stop the video and try this one yourself. Hi there, I'm back. How did you go? So let me just go through them with you. So when we divide by 100, so we know that the answer should be smaller than 178.9. Okay, so this means that the decimal point here, we need to move to the left 2 times because we divide by 100. So we move 1, we cancel that. We move 1, we cancel that. So that becomes 1.789. So there you go. And then we move this decimal point to the left, we cancel. We move 1, we cancel. That is 0.7478. So it's exactly the same as, I put a 0 here. So that means same as this. Okay, keep that in mind. So 7, 8. So there you go. 7.3 divided by 100. So we move 1 to the left, we cancel. Then I put a 0 in front here. Then 0.73 divided by 10. We move 1 more time, we cancel this 0. So that means 0.073. Of course, we put a 0 in front. So there you go. Part D. 0.78 we divide by 100. So we move 1 to the left, we cancel. Put a 0 here. We move 1 more time, we cancel. So that means 0.0078 divided by 1. So that means 0.0078. So there you go. Part E. So 0.8 divided by 100. So we move 1 more time, we cancel that. We'll put a 0 here. 1 more time, we cancel that. So 0.008. So we put a 0 in front. So 0.008. So there you go. Part F. 0.059 we divided by 100. So of course the answer should be smaller than this. So we just move 1 to the left and then we cancel that. We put a 0 in front and then we move 1 more time, we cancel. So 0.00059. So 0.00059. And then of course we put a 0 in front. So there you go. Part G. So we divide by 100. We move 1 to the left, we cancel. We put a 0. We move 1 more time to the left, we cancel. So that means 0.00067. So 0 point this. So there you go. Part H. Again, we move the decimal point to the left, 1 unit, put a 0, we move one more time, cancel, and put a 0 in front. So that is 0.123098. So there you go. Part I. So we divide by 100, we move this, we cancel this, we put a 0, we move this, we cancel this. So that is 0.1234, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4, 5. So there you go. I hope you got all of them correct. Please pause the video and try this one yourself. Hi there, I'm back. How did you go? So let me just go through it with you. So we need to work out one lap is how many meters. And we know that 6,450 meters is 100 laps. So we just go 6,450, we divide it by 100. So what we do, no decimal point, it means right at the back here. So we cancel this, we move 1. We cancel this, we move 1. So that is 64.50, or you can write 64.5. So therefore, 64.50 if you like meters. So there you go. I hope you got it correct. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.